Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, teacher Nello Kalima, and today we are talking about something that can transform the way you speak English, learning how to think in English. If you are constantly translating in your head, it can slow you down. So, in this video, I will give you 5 simple tips to help you stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with simple words. The first step to thinking in English is to start small. Focus on simple, everyday words like table, phone, walk, eat. You probably use these words all the time in your native language. So begin by associating these words directly with their English meaning without translating. For example, if you see this object, don't think about cadeira in Portuguese. Think about chair in English. And if you see this object here, don't think about abrir in Portuguese. Think about open in English. Tip 2. Narrate your day in English. A great way to start thinking in English is to narrate your day actions through the day. For instance, when you wake up, say to yourself, I am brushing my teeth. I am making coffee. I am going to work. Tip 3. Surround yourself with English. Immersion is key. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to music or podcasts in English, and try to read short articles or books. This keeps your brain constantly exposed to the language, and soon you will start picking up phrases and expressions without even realizing it. Tip 4. Stop translating. One of the biggest blocks to fluency is the habit of translating everything. It slows down your speech and makes conversations difficult. To stop translating, focus on understanding the meaning of phrases rather than translating word by word. For example, instead of translating "how are you" into your language, just think of it as one phrase you can use without breaking it down. Practice with common phrases you use daily. Tip 3. Practice with thinking games. To make thinking in English fun, try playing some thinking games. For example, pick an object around you and describe it in English, or try to form a sentence with a new word you learn. For example, if you see a tree, try describing it. You can describe in many ways. For example, you can have this tree here and you can describe this tree is tall and has green leaves. So there you have 5 easy tips to help you start thinking in English and boost your fluency. Remember, the key is practice and consistency. Okay? So let me know in the comments, qual é a dica mais difícil para você começar a aprender inglês ou a pensar em inglês? Thank you very much. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe for more tips on improving your English. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.